Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can check the TD Bank credit score. It was not possible for me to show you via the bank itself due to security purposes, but I'm going to show you what it will look like. So in your browser, simply type in check your TD Bank score and check the first link. If you tap onto it, you will see a page like this. Now in here, you're going to have to first download the TD Bank application. Once you have downloaded the app, you will see a tuba icon on your bottom right-hand corner, and then select Credit Score from the menu under Products and Services. And likewise, you will be able to view your credit score. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. If you would like to learn more, you can also search for Credit Score TD Trust Canada, and you will be able to read more here. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will catch up in our next upload.